Okay, so this is a 2012 Ford Fusion SEL V6. I've seen videos online about how to do this on 4-cylinder models, but I haven't found any on the V6 model. So this is if your battery is dead, like mine, and you need to get your car into neutral, then this is how you do it. I tried messing around with the switch inside this hole. For me, it wasn't working. So what I did is I used one of these interior removal tools. Okay, and you just pop that up on each side, right? Take that cover off. Careful not to break your clips like I did. And then the button that you're after that allows you to freely move this is, let's see if I can show you here. Okay, so you can see when I pull the button right here, see that silver component? So you're not going to press on that. What you're going to press on is right, so I'm trying to do this while recording. Okay, so the button is right here. This guy here. You're going to press that in. I can't do it because I'm recording, but essentially you're going to press that button in with something like a flathead, and then that will allow you to shift into the position you want.